Hey guys, in today's video we'll be comparing the Secura Air Fryer XL and the GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer. We'll be evaluating these products in different categories to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Both air fryers can hold large amounts of food, but the Secura Air Fryer XL has a slightly larger capacity, holding up to 5.3 quarts of food. However, the GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer comes with a basket divider accessory that allows you to cook 2 meals at once. Both air fryers offer a variety of cooking options, including frying, roasting, baking, grilling, and more. However, the GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer has 8 preset cooking functions for specific dishes such as pizza, steak, and shrimp, making it easier to select the right cooking option for your dish. While both air fryers are reasonably priced, the Secura Air Fryer XL is slightly cheaper than the GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer. However, the latter comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 1-year warranty, and additional 60 days of coverage for registered products. Both air fryers have a modern design with user-friendly controls. However, the GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer has a touchscreen menu with advanced features such as a start-stop button, built-in alarm function, and wider temperature range. Both air fryers come with bonus accessories to increase their versatility. The Secura Air Fryer XL comes with a collection of air fryer recipes, while the GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer comes with a basket divider accessory and a recipe book with 50 recipes specifically made for the air fryer. And there you have it, our comparison of the Secura Air Fryer XL and the GoWISE USA 8-in-1 digital air fryer. Both air fryers have their unique features, so it's important to consider what's important to you before making a purchase. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.